James Hardie siding does really well against the elements of weather. And so even though we don't necessarily live in like hurricane zone in St. Louis, Hardie's performed extremely well in those coastal areas where they have gotten the hurricanes. I think Hardie's even posted some of their case studies from the hurricanes that came through the Carolinas a few years ago, where these houses are destroyed and you look at the Hardie homes and it's like nothing hit them. And so I even see that like in my house, we live in St. Louis, and where you get the pretty intense winds and the rains, and especially hailstorms the last couple years, we don't notice any damage at all to our siding. It holds up extremely well. It's quiet inside. Unlike vinyl, that when it gets windy, you can hear it flapping against the walls. Hardie stays really quiet, and the only wind we may hear is kind of through the windows. So I think Hardie's a fantastic choice for extreme weather conditions like wind and rain and hail, even tornadoes. Hardie does a really good job because it doesn't hold on to that moisture like a wood product does. So you don't see the mold and mildew that grows on wood-based products or paper-based siding or even vinyl, because vinyl is just holding on to all that moisture behind it. So Hardie does a really good job at kind of pushing that moisture away and evacuating it so that it dries out really quickly. So I think it's actually a really good choice for, again, areas that get a lot of rain, a lot of humidity. It does extremely well against that. Yeah, and Hardie's impact resistance is kind of second to none. So we do a lot of clients that live on golf courses because, again, once Hardie's on the wall and attached, it's extremely dimensionally stable. I'm not going to say that, it's impossible for hail or for a golf ball hit at just the right angle to crack it. But it's a pretty safe bet if you're in those areas where, hey, it's probably gonna get hit by a golf ball, baseball, or more likely hail, that it's gonna hold up well against that.